abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu ndabe sekudwini ekudwini
Salamukela Enkundleni exclusive brought to you by your biggest partner in events and media solutions. I'm talking about Depth 3 events. Ibizo lami nguNontutuzo Ncube, ngihamba lo General Leslie. Guys, Depth 3 events is a company which does events planning and management. If you need media solutions, you get in touch with Depth 3. Any type of event, Skulumama corporate event, social events, church events, charity, NGOs, you name it, just get in touch with the Depth 3 events. When we are talking of media, we're talking of PA systems higher, stage higher, LED screens, you name it, you just get in touch with Depth 3 events using the contacts on your screens. It's good to be back, Leslie.
Good to be back. Like I always say, this episode is powered by Oguhle Designs for all your graphic work, t-shirt printing, cap printing, branding. If you're opening a new spaza, a new shop, a new bar, and you need us to come and decorate and put some signs, contact us on the details. It's good to be back.
In as much as it is good to be back, as we are starting on a very sad note again this week. Lapho silahlekelwe khona ngomunye wethu ku art sector. Skruma is not only in the art sector, he's also a parliamentarian. We are talking about an active community member. So silahlekelwe kakhulu.
Yeah, it's a big loss. It's a big loss not only to Bulawayo, but it's a big loss to Zimbabwe. And
yes.
We are proud of how we are represented sometimes. Masikhangela abantu abanjabo umoyoxide and avela singesinyarari, but well uNkulunkulu uyathatha isikhathi mase sifikile. So ku artists lahlekelwe like besilembongo yethu sithembileyo so eshama prankras yabona sikhiwo sijulileyo politically ukuthi la uyabuloko ujikela ongama request kwakho ukuthi kari why igovernment ingasizwa la, then ukuthi at least kuzafika abanye ngubaba. But I think mina usebenzile umoya ungakhangela ama poets achiye ewagrumile and abazikhethela ukuthi bafuna ukwenza njani abazikhethela.
So guys, we are talking about Desire Moyoxide. He was a legal practitioner, is it? A parliamentarian for Nkulumane constituency. He was a poet, and I know that he did a lot of mentoring for ama artists, not only poets, but ama artists. He did a lot of He supported a lot of people, including me, who art sector. So it's unfortunate that we are starting on a sad note. Siqalisivike to ngendaba ezingekho mnandi. But and also enye into enginanzeleleyo engekho mnandi, it's how people are responding to the news on social media, and a culture of celebrating death seems to be growing. Just because umuntu awumthandi kumbe just because umuntu ubungazwananile imbono yakhe, you think it's okay to celebrate ukufa kwakhe.
It's not good. We can't have the same views, number one.
Exactly.
And asingeke sicabange into ezifanayo. That is why there is the ruling party, there is the opposition, there is a poet, there is a comedian, there is a thespian, kulondlovu, kulomoyo, kulomasuku. Like vela soze sifane vele. Ziningi izinto ezinjani ezisehlukanisayo. So just because I don't agree with you on some things doesn't mean I have to celebrate ma wena usufile. It makes the whole thing suspicious.
So and people are just brave behind their phones. you find ukuthi some people bakhuluma ezinye izinto abangeke bazikhulume nxa umuntu usuhlangane la face to face.
Yeah, sure.
I've always said that ukuthi abantu they are just very brave. And also another thing uyazi ukuthi kule habit ekhona ebantwini. I think if you are not in a position to share the news, don't share the news at all.
I hear you.
Because you will find omunye umuntu le athi livuke ekuseni ethi maye RIP. Omunye ukuthi ma salahlekelwa. You get it?
Yeah.
And then check out my comments, everyone is asking, who died? What happened? Kasaphenduli. Usefuna limlande ku inbox. Let kasubuza ukuthi you know I don't know why people do that. If you are not supposed to share the news, don't share at all. Ngoba into eyenzakala ngokuhamba kwama website. Nangavuka ekuseni ngabona everyone is posting RIP. Some uthani ubegudla iguma like then you start wondering. You start worrying ukuthi kathi what's going on? Kuzothi mbayi sungikhona usubona ukuthi okay. Nxa ungamelanga uzishare news ungazishare.
Thing relevance.
Don't share the news. Yeah.
I remember very well groupini yeziko. Kulo muntu wavuka ekuseni wathi, is it true that Sikhonja is dead? Umoya wahlomkhipha egroupini. I remember very well. Wahlomkhipha wathi ehlanya lo. Ukubuza kule ndlela like uzokubuza it was njalo is it true that Sikhonja is dead? And so
Umuntu onganani?
umuntu mdala.
Ngoba uyazi ukuthi nani enye into mina sinanzelele. Unless xa umuntu omdala like you were saying. Kule age le yama 2K le.
Yeah.
They are just so blunt.
Yeah.
Awusozube sithi kasekho.
Hayi.
Uchonile. Ufile.
Ufile. And
it doesn't mean ukuthi abahlukumezeka like language evolves. So you find ukuthi ezinye izinto thina esizikhuluma yani our grandparents kumbe our parents they view them as disrespectful, and the same is happening with our kids and our little brothers and sisters. So language yona ngwayo it evolves.
but mina into I think igimi kube isifundo to a certain extent. I remember when Moyoxide was doing his last production before he passed on, Uzwelethu, Ebulawa Theatre, and good production, go 50 days. It was running for some days, and I remember him. I think the check message yakona Ezigo, he should be still there. I said, guys, mina I attend every show, but I don't see ama artist ebuya ukuzo wona laming actor because I'm really on stage. And here I am namhla I'm doing a production and alibuye ukuzonjani ukuzobukela and so Lama was one of those people who said but abatala labo bathanda ukukhalakhala and for me I had my reasons to say but Lama I'm doing projects and a lot of people are not coming and like let's get used to it. It now gets frustrating when he passes on and every artist is posting a picture with him. Everyone. Umuntu ubenga post, iposta le show and Karesi kule group Ezigo le group yama Sendorf and everyone is a story kwebhowa so because I group ivulelwe ukuthi siphiwe ama updates ukuthi kuzabanja and voice note after voice note bakithi mina ngelanga elinje sasisonke ya Nkosi yami
Abantu bona bacela bangaphiwa imic bangaphiwa imic bona bo
futhi even ukusikhonja ukuthi umuntu uchasisa like ukuthi sasuka safika sathenga amakhokho 1 sanatha wathi ngicela unithengele ibhansi ngathenga ibhansi hayi madoda hayi
do you know ukuthi in Leslie nxa umuntu engapost picture lo mufana ubusubuza ngaphansi did you ever attend his show? You sound cruel.
Yeah, you sound cruel. Yeah.
Did you ever attend his event? You'll be sounding like you are mean.
Yeah, true.
But umbuzo valid.
Yeah.
Because ngendlela umposta ngayo ungani wena la ibhanti le. So sifuna ukuzwisisa.
And le story like stories zakhona so ngani sonke sisifuna ukumclaim akhathi ukuthi mina ngimazi ngco because istories zakhona mawulalele so as make sense. As make sense sibili yes hambe partyini yesenza so and but this guy was complaining 3 weeks back esithi sizishit.
Plus imsebenzi ngikutshele imsebenzi iyazikhulumela yodwa. Anti nxa kade usebenzisana la sibe sikubona
ukubonakala.
You don't need to sing ukuthi mina laye. No, if you were with him, you know, and this sounds like we're guilt tripping people, but no, we are trying to say abantu baboba honest with themselves first and with others. Let's not be hypocrites, auntie.
True.
Yes, and we've always mentioned ukuthi abantu umuntu ka supportwe esaphila. So if umoya oxide wayekhuluma ukuthi abantu ababuyi kushow yakhe, it's surprising ukuthi almost everyone is now posting ukuthi yena laye bebe close and stuff like that. So guys, we are not guilt tripping you, but we are saying be honest with yourself. If you do that, then you'll be honest with others. Ungasiflashela ama pictures and everything. Unga supporta ngendlela okwanisa ukusupporta ngayo, but you know, be honest about it.
Akudingi ukuthi every group okiyo sokumele uhlabele ukuthi beliphila njani. Sonke besiphila la emntana.
Ngeke abantu bakhale ngendlela yabo.
Ayisiko igroup yabingavulelwanga khonoko. Asibeni kwazi injongo ye group because siyeqwa ngama message aqhakathekile ukuthi kusasa siyanga. So kungena ama voice note ukuthi hayi besihlala la sure Nkosi yami, but I group ivulele ukuthi sibe kwazi ukuthi from here we are going there, from here we are going there, anti sizahlangana lapha sizaxoxelana eshabe kunje.
And I think sithi lala ukuthula moyoxide, please asituduzeke nini sonkeni ngoba abanengi bakhanya behlukumezekile kakhulu. Yeah, asituduzeke nini. And still on a sad note, we saw an accident, a bus from Eastern Cape, if I'm not mistaken. As of now, it's a recorder, the death toll was 42.
Shit.
Yeah, and that is a very, very high number. And even kungela sihlobo kumbe umuntu omaziyo ingozi enjalo, it touches you. It's something that is so touching and so sad and disappointing. And angwazi.
Yeah, 42.
Zituduzeke imuli ezilahlekelweyo.
42, it's a national disaster. Like 42,
you know, I have concerns though ngamabhasi, and we've always seen videos of buses over speeding and all that, where we are hearing rumors ukuthi it was because of fatigue on the driver's side, and others are saying it's negligence. You know, everyone ulenganekwane yakhe ayikhulumayo. But I'm actually concerned ngama videos esihlezi siwabona. Recently sibone enye video ye bus which was very, very, very speeding, overtake ama truck, ihamba ibhasi kungani ngokuyimoto okuncane njengani izaphephu kithi, yabo. So I think enye into, those are some of the issues that should be. I think indaba yamabhasi le, it needs attention.
Yeah, true.
It needs unfortunately, ama owners amabhasi, it's people that you find out, it's people that are policy makers, lawmakers. So ispace yangikhona nxa kuphusha ukuthi akube lemthetho etight, space yangikhona kuyabe kungani ngumnenke nje osihambelayo.
Irresponse yakhona iyabhowa because kufana la Kares, mina ngeke ngachinga recently ngihamba kuhle eHarare because ngangihambe ngebhasi lezi zokuthi ubhadala imali ezingane zithe, so semphenduka bekungahamba kuhle ngathi ngikada ke zona lezi ezamawuta zona lezi hayi ezibhadalelwe bhasi ezihamba sichovis ebhasini uthanga uchayela itikiti hayi amadoda. Do you know ukuthi uma ngonke so awu relax, so yazi ukhamba ezitulweni lapha kungani kulo viso uma ngonke lapha because ama break akhona
ngapha lezi tulo zizwakala insimbi, ngapha kule khwapha, ngapha kule stathulo
luxury seats, ibhalwe luxury seats, akula ngitsho one luxury seat phakathi ezinye izitulo ziyawa kodwa
enye bhasi yabinuka amababasi
amababasi then ezinye zabe zithwala abantu ebusuku kanti zafika ngale zahle zabehlisa zathi ayigezi ibhasi And fatigue mina ngisoze ngiyale because umuntu uyabelele ehambe ebusuku ekuseni sokumele aphendwe because kumele azophumulela koBulawayo madoda ubuthongo
Yeah.
ubuthongo into
Yeah.
5 seconds abantu sebefila kusela abantu phombo uvala amehlo so akusela abantu.
And also speaking of still on the buses, indaba yeDelta.
ya sokuqalile futhi
Indaba yeDelta.
okuyinto lokhu akukho kutsha mina into enzisa ubuhlungu ngike ngasebenzela eBay Bridge no and bekusenzakala almost every week kuze kuthiwa ibhasi irobiwe lapha basi irobiwe lapha but kusuka kube buhlungu because at least ngale bephomba uthatha izinto but nxa sesibulalana manje
Yeah, and guys, we are talking about incident eyenzakeleyo about a week ago. Ibhasi iDelta ya experience ama armed robbers and 2 people were killed. They were shot dead. So abantu batshontshelwa amafoni, izikhwama and lezimali and stuff like that. And then asikwazi ukuthi amasela ngikhona zabanjwa what, but impilo zabantu
ya
bakithi.
impilo
Yeah. So and we don't even know ukuthi kuze ku-escalate kuze kuqalisa ukudutshulwa umuntu kumbe abantu what really happened bekulwiwa or what we don't even know ukuthi maybe uMabulawa kumbe oMabulawa they were resisting. I don't even know.
kulo mama usende i-audio le audio nje kathi circulator obezama ukuchasisa I think ubesendela kumbe isihlobo sakhe because bengane yamcha into esihlakela la so kulo mama odujiliwe lwana uthiwa ushaya crossfire so there is a man that wanted to resist phakathi ebhasini so nguye lwana kade bemdubula undoda lwa then umama lwana wasechaya crossfire and umama uhamba labantwana abancane lingene kulo odutshwa anti sihlezi silayinile so nxa bedubula kimi because anti kuthiwa kuthaye mbe 5 shots sibili and so la ngena la fohla lazobulala la lo hleze emuva
Shame.
madoda
That's
uyabusidlani kanti uyabunathani
that's something else.
yabufuna umbulala kanjani 5 kwa nenja 1
That's rage.
yeah ngoba umama lo nxa itolika ku audio uthi the robber uze wenza kokubanjwa ngomunye ukuthi ngabe kabanjwanga maybe nxa ubetha 15
Kugcine kulimela abantu abaningi.
kugcine kulimela abantu abaningi manje
Eish.
it's painful uyabuvela woda phela impilo ze these days and nezokuwoda vela bhadala into zakho ngalo woda usithi ngizoqalisa okuyibusiness
Abantu abasekho
usebenza
safe.
ngale vele and uletha school fees abantwana ama rents and akusela lutho
Abantu abasekho safe. Yeah.
abantu abasekho
So,
safe
indaba yamabhasi it's something else. Now, moving on. Sihlala sibona lapha abantu be demand ama DNA. And it's mostly men that demand ama DNA, right? Ama DNA test. But now we have a case, and this is not the first time, where we find ukuthi abantwana bayatshintshaniswa esibhedlela. Because into ezenzakalayo in most cases you request for a DNA. Sesikuthesta wena lo mntwana mina sengithesta. Susithi umntwana so wakho ngiyathe umntwana ngowakho Leslie bantu. This is your child. Leslie vele kasavumi kasabambeki. But what if umntwana etshintshanisiwe?
kanti laphana ku DNA laphana phela kuchitho kwinto kokhona phela kulo butsotsi anti kumele sitestane sonke songo 3 phela umntwana umama lo baba
Yeah, but most of the time, yes, yeah. So le inhlanhla leyenzakale. So we saw a headline where it says
umthatho busuphelile phela lapha. Honestly, umama had to follow up. Wagcina yena la esesiya yenza iDNA after vele umthatho so kuyilahla.
So to update those who are not up to speed ngendaba leyi, there is a headline where daughters were switched at Mpilo Hospital. So kutholakala abantwana sebengana
18 years.
18 years. Imagine utshintshiwe your parents are financially well up wahanjiswa kuma parents angela lulu.
Okuye kufunde phetha nge-school fees zakho so wena. Wena ufunda lapha mina engafunda khona so.
Guys,
I know mina ngithanda ukuthi uhleke.
life ayila formula bayisho.
Life for me wena. I need to have fortune favors then.
Wazihambela kubo khwayibhechu. Umuntu ongazo abantwana bomzali wakho bahamba kubazali bakho. You know, it's something else, eh?
Mina, but I think you listen ukuthi anyone can be your father, man. Or mother, man. Because sungona change at 18 sithi wena usenguyibaba wena. Wena ngubaba.
So now I am wondering auntie ukuthi how many cases are there afana nayo and imchild ichitheka.
Ngingela mali ye-DNA mina.
Yeah. Let's say I'm a woman and I'm relying on ubaba financially, and then he chooses to do a DNA test and umntwana so wakhe sengivalela phandle mina. How am I going to prove this child is not mine? Lama I'm innocent.
Bonda. After 18 years.
And besides, I'm wondering ukuthi kanti indaba le esikho uqala sibona indaba enje.
It's not.
It's more than twice futhi sibona into enje. So lezi zindaba ezivelayo. What about lokhana okungaveliyo iqiniso lapho lingaphumi khona. So abantu abaningi bagcina abantwana bangasibo babo phela la.
Yikho mina ngithe umuntu lo wena ohlala la ngubabakho. Ubabakho
uzomakhelwane besithi kanti umntwana vele ngabani kafanani lama siblings akhe kafanani laba fowabo ngakho kumama akhe ngakho kubabakhe kanti vele ngokabani
ubabakho. Then I never listen to this. Ku family le enye ifamily ngesonene on this issue. Nomntana wakho nguye-BF kade sithi shona chaya lizwa induku chaya.
Guys, this is not a laughing matter. This is not a laughing matter.
Awusomasuku umusamanyanga wena. Chaya mashona esikolo chaya so. I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing. Asifunda from so so is wesingamanga peramankazana kungcono.
Why are you saying amankazana kungcono?
Awe konsuthi phe uhlithathwe lindebele. Lwana la yahlathathwe lishona. Manxa kuyimi manje somele ukuthi ngiqasa ukufundisa abantu abami because phela sentshintshile la transfer window period send transfer la sadlalela ipots sendlalela idimbare then
another thing Leslie that we have to notice and okwenze umama lo ayipush indaba leyi ukuthi she knew she was innocent.
Yeah.
She knew she was innocent.
Yeah, you
so
know bekwazi ukuthi akajolanga.
When we abukwazi ukuthi la anganganga la.
Baranto yabekwazi nguwe.
Lo muntu lo nguyubaba womntwana. So nxa DNA isisithi ayisuye kuthi uthi lama ngisuye nina. You know? Yeah. So I think umama lo she actually did.
Bekunesinye futhi phansi khona phana ekutshintshweni kwabantwana. Angazi ukuthi kuthiwa kwenzakale Matadeo UPH. Nza check out Woodland. Ukuthi imuli yami mina le muli yami sifuna umfana. And then kube sokutshintshaniswa sibhedlela and
deliberately.
Asazi khona apho but mina lokhana mayibona lokho ayingabomo because on the story it says umama womntwana ongumfana wakhuluma wathi umntana nami ngimbonile. Asonkazana ngumfana bamphikisa.
Oh, that one is we saw that one.
Eh,
And sake sayikhuluma ngayo lapha enkundleni, yes.
Bamphikisa kodwa wehlanya wena umntwana lo ngowakho.
Yes. Yes.
Then lwana ubaba lwana besehlaba inkomo lo wathi nanga umfana nanga uboyboy. Uboyboy karezumela abuyele ngiwe hama into lezi bangabozenza lezi aba protect abantwana like akule yini amathegi ukuthi uhle ugqoka ithegi vele kwampa usanda ku
even if it's there, I think nxa kuyikuba careless ithegi yakwanisa ugqokisa umntwana ongayisuyent.
Yeah.
So ikuba careless laphana kwe hospital staff.
Yeah.
And angiboni njenge mistake easy ukwenza ukuthi singaba common kangaka. This is something that should happen once in a while, like
lakho nxa bekuthiwa namhlanje bebanengi abantwana ngesikhathi esiyi-1 so
yeah, but the way also prevalent ngakhona subona ukuthi hayi okunye kungabi serious ngomsebenzi kungabi serious ngomsebenzi at all
sihlala siyi-1 beku understaffed but silabonisa abaningi abangasebenziyo.
Anyway, moving on to the lighter moment. Zo7's one-man show.
Yazi ngizibuhlungu njani.
Indaba zobuhlungu.
Ngisemsebenzini.
So guys, Zo7 had a one-man show on Saturday and it was packed. It was packed and Zo7 delivered.
But nama videos ngicaphukile.
He delivered.
I was supposed to see that ekhona kuma videos.
He delivered.
Importance rehearsal nje.
He delivered. Yeah, because this guy was rehearsing almost every day. And sasimbona hlala eTown sechicha sesiyakhona sesiyakurehasa. Yeah. And I mentioned this before ukuthi he really marketed the event. Okuzwayo. Yabo. With the limited resources. Funny enough. But he pushed and pushed and pushed.
Uzababona because yinto enjalana yenziwe ngomzoli ave singafuna ukumbambathana eZimbabwe ayikhona koBulawayo.
Yeah.
Into yenziwe ngomzo eZimbabwe yinto enjalana nandi. But uzababona kumanama. Uzababona kumanama abo.
Anyway, asilanda balamanama thina
silama PAs indlela yokuhloniphana phela indlela yokuhloniphana. Do you know ukuthi into like ukukhipha into enjeyana no mina ngiyakwazi ukuthi rehearsal ebuhlungu njani.
Yes.
And ukukhipha into enjeyana ukuthi kulama dancers sokungena izimoto estagini ngapho awuchayi disc uyahlabela kunama PV kule band akolula lokho.
Yeah.
Akolula like we still have a lot of people abachaya ama CD okuthiwa bakhulu. And uToki karesi bengela abantu kathesi
I think Toki overestimated himself.
kathesi
Toki was overestimating.
so mkhulu kulo Toki olenkani ngabe yazomphikisa umzo7 khulu kulo Toki umzo ngoba Toki bekula abantu awu8 ngabala mina ivideo la ngabona umama lo awayamba nomntana wakhe bawu8 kulo mama so isitulo yamba nomntana wakhe labanye ubhuti ababuya and babe mibonke okutshengisa ukuthi ngabantu ababesuka endlini.
And also I think enyinto if you are a musician, a performer, you should have learned something about from Zo7, something about collaboration, working with other artists, because Kumzo artists from as far as Harare came for his show. Anjabo.
They actually came from SA.
The Orianos.
Yeah.
So it shows ukuthi umuntu angeke aphonge ukusukumela if there's no relationship. It shows ukuthi there is a relationship that was built. And guess what? Because of that, these guys are going to post I was at Zo7. They are marketing his brand.
Yeah, true.
So this brand is being marketed national and international. So ungazi lokuzi uthi wena mina ngwakobulawayo. Uma ngobulawayo hambo uyafika kubomtare le, hambo uyafika kubolupane le.
Or even dinga nje contact ngapho lenzani kanye.
Yeah.
lami ngapha ngiyaphusha so khelo kwami ngicobona lawo kwakho
Network.
wena ngapho lenza nje ngicela Facebook khelo kwami ngicobona lawo kwakho. The next thing umuntu angezokuthola shows athi amfubu uyenzobona.
Yes. So
That one man show singagcina sihambisile yara. Safika
Yeah.
sagcwalisa futhi.
yes.
It's
So
possible.
it's networking.
So i-order le rehearsal iqhakathekile because bekuyisarati yanje
Yes.
bekule mzo 7 into erehesiweyo into le order ngesande bekulo face of Bulawayo ngasuka ngizondile asola so
What happened?
why
I didn't even know there's something like that. Anjabona? I didn't even know kulento enjalo.
ngasuka ngizondile siwe and khonokho ukuthi like anti kulebizo lokuthi face of Bulawayo hayi
Kahle kahle can you just brief us bekuyini?
modeling so bebedinga the face of Bulawayo the model yabe winile is the face of
And who hosted that?
angwazi vele ngwazi mina no antabanga like mina ngizake ngikhulume so and but kulezinto ezinengi mina ezingangihambelanga kuhle ngacina sensithi lapha basesidelelwa la alright first thing ama artist I performer there was Kwezi there was Umfana Omsoto there was Mrs K there was Butholezwe le band ye army and so let me come back kulo Butholezwe kulo Mrs K kulo Kwezi lo Mfana Omsoto and then ama modela ingoma abayisebenzisayo abangena bemodela ngayo and ingoma yakhathana le eRara and mina lama album angu 8 khathesi awama artistic awobulawayo ingoma ezimodelisayo and abanye bakhona khonapho on that day ku performance and so ngani mepenxa yama artist ethu ngawokube ephumuza ukuthi akareso isikhathi sokuthi lithatha break
I
so
get where you're coming from. Ngiyakuzwisisa yes.
and
Yes.
poor sound very poor sound i-artist liperforma ngelama monitors kule speakers engu2 ezikhangele phambili
Ebani?
Anele Nkundlane i-poet animele ngizwe imic yakata mina ngazonda mina hayi mina ngazonda mina hayi mina ngazonda ngapha backstage kulomuntu ofuna ukwenza ngani strict so uchingela ama artist
Eish.
angafika ngathi hayi sikho majingi
Yeah.
ngajingi lina yini into yenu le ayisikho lokho and selifuna ukuthi like lingehluleka then suthatha i-frustration yakho ujikele kuma artist
Sizonje abo coach abachaya ama players ngempama.
then like nxa sifuna ukwenza like ama events and I think into lesihlala sikhuluma singapomba ukudingana ngobungane sithi mngane wami sifuna ukwenza modeling lapha uzafika phela wena and uzafika wenze because ayikho
You know guys, I think Leslie is emphasizing on the importance of proper planning. Yabona nxa ungakwazi uplana khuluma le step 3 ikuplanela into zakho. You know, ikuplanela into zakho nje zihambe kuhle kuhle. Other than we are talking of sound, you know, step 3 has got proper quality sound. You know, proper quality. Yabo nxa sikhuluma ngestage proper stage. Just get in touch with Jeff You know, just get the right people to do the right job for you. Anyway, ishow yanamhlanje, podcast yanamhlanje isisiya emaphethelweni and as usual, it's nice to be here. It's good turn. It's nice to be here. Kumnandi ukuba la. Ngidala wacima ke church. It's nice to be here. Kumnandi ukuba lapha. So guys, please thank you for tuning in and please do share and comment isifunguzwa ama comments enu about the current episode and the previous episodes as well. So please do share your comments and also share with others ungakholisi wedwa ubukele labanye. Please and also do follow Deb3 Events across all social media platforms. Singakavali. Any shows? Any upcoming shows?
Andika recent intaba enkulu idilikile so I think ama shows amaningi anganamile I know, but I will have to check with the Colin first. But I think kusaselesikhathi because ule album launch kibo 25 ngale.
Okay.
But for amashows anje abo 50 dates, I think amile kare still size sibeke umhlonishwa. Then I think on our next episode ngiyabe senilama updates then asingaqhubeka kare sakhala.
Okay.
Sakhala
Okay.
sibili.
So there you have it, guys. Update izaba khona futhi next week.
Yeah.
Nkumbuze njalo, do follow Deb3 events across all media platforms. Comment and like and share. Also follow us Tina ama hosts for Enkundleni exclusive. Khona mina Nonduduzo Ncube across all platforms. General Leslie lai ukhona kuma
Across
platforms
all
wakanti.
platforms. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So guys, silibone njalo next week.
Khona
Same
banzama
place.
ukudinga i-address abafuna ukuyakhala bakithi. Because kulabanye phela abathole information ngathi kuphela. Uyakwazi?
Yeah.
Yeah. For those that want to ukuyabamba izandla, ukuyaduduza, ukuyaxhawula, imuli ibuthene ku 11732 Nkulumane 11732 Nkulumane 11 uyehlela komnyoro then ungehla vele uyahlubona ioffice ka MP and you can ask anyone kuhambana komnyoro ukuthi abantu babuthene ngapi. Then I think uyakwanisa ukuphathiswa from there. Then makukhona okunye mhlawumbe singakukhulumanga, you can just contact Deb3 events sakwanisa ukudirect ukuthi hawa siyabe kunje ama arrangements anje okunye la siyabe singaphiwanga amandla ukuthi sikhulume ngakho. But well thina sesiyaphumula no one
Yep.
siyadlula emfeni.
Yeah, siyadlula khona.
Uliqhe.
Lengwani.
Hayi
Lengwani.
All right. Mina lo siyavalelisa siyaphuma siyahamba. See you on the next episode. For now salibona singalikhangela.